Hi guys, how are you today? Yes. In here it's raining, but don't get stressed. I'm ready to teach. Are you guys ready? Yes, I hear you. So please think positive. We can do it. Okay. We are going to study chapter 1, still 1.1. Not gonna do rush. Everybody should understand. Okay. The other day we learned real numbers, right? Today we are going to learn. Excuse me, I dropped something. Oops. Sorry that. Today we are going to learn inequality symbols. Inequality symbols and absolute value. What is the inequality? Not equal. Same, right? Equal means the same. 5 equal 5. 6 equal 6. But inequality means not equal. Okay. So there are unequal is. This symbol is called is less than. Right? So when you see that this one small part, it's got smaller. Here is a big part. So less than. How about another way? Is a greater than. So for example, you can read 5 is greater than 3. Easy, right? So now, if you see it's less than is under there like a little line, you can read it's less than or equal to. Don't forget that. Don't forget or. It's not the and. Okay. Another one is greater than or equal to. Okay. Those are inequality symbol. Everybody should know is equal, right? This is equal. If you see this one, is not equal to. It's called symbols. 3 is not equal to 4. It's like that. Please remember that, okay? So let's read maybe a little bit. So how are you gonna do it? 1, 5, maybe -2, -3. Let's read. 1 is less than 5. Very good. So like that. Big. Okay. 5 is bigger than 1. -2 is greater than -3. Don't forget that. Negative. Go to the left, right? It's gonna be get smaller. And then everybody knows that 3 is not equal to 4. Good job. Okay, I'm going to write one question. The statement is true or false. Tell me, okay? 3.4 decimal. That's what is it? Rational number, isn't it? Non-integer. Okay, is this true or false? Okay, I hear true. Oh, somebody say false too. All right. Guess what? This is true. Oh, Miss Sony, 3.4 is their same number. Yes, that's right. This means what? Equal. Did I tell you? It's less greater than or equal. So if either one is correct, that's gonna be true. So please remember that. Okay? Greater than or equal. Good job. So now we learn about symbols of inequality. So let's go to what is the absolute value? Say absolute value. Very good. Absolute value. Absolute value means the distance, the number from, it's like from 0. Okay, so I'm going to draw the number line. Absolute value. Absolute number. This means a number, okay? I'm not gonna write down horizontal line. It's gonna be number line. Here, 0. Got it. So absolute value is like you gotta thinking about the distance from 0. Okay, so I'm going to move from 0, maybe 3 units. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be 3, right? I'm going to the left, negative 2, 3. That's gonna be negative 3. Right? To the right is getting bigger. So when you look at the units, is it same or different? It's the same. So that's why the distance number is from 0 on a number line. Yeah, distance 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be 3. The other way, 1, 2, 3, 3. So we are going to write absolute value is gonna be 3. 3 absolute value of 3 is 3. It's the same answer. Absolute value can be never negative. Is it correct? Because it's a unit. It doesn't matter go negative or to the right or to the left. We are going to looking for the only distance from 0. How about Miss Sonny? 0 absolute? Yes, it's 0. Okay, it's easy, isn't it? Please remember that. Never can be the negative. Alright. So that's what we've learned today. But before I leave, before we go, and we are going to maybe practice review about real numbers. Yesterday I talking about real numbers are you can divide it irrational and rational. Remember that? But now I'm going to go opposite way. Remember that? Can counting number 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count counting number, right? Yeah, that's counting number. It's called natural number. Right. And 0 is not the count. I cannot say, how many do you have apple? I have a 0? No, you cannot count 0, right? So 0 is, you gotta including 0, it's called whole number. 0, whole number. It's not the natural number. So we got the natural number and then whole number. Oh, Miss Sonny, how about negative? Negative number is a whole number with, let's see, negative. It's called integer. Integer's number. Okay, negative, positive, 0, which is a negative and whole number. So we got the integers, and then there are non-integers too. Non-integers. What is a non-integer? Decimal or fraction. 3/4 or 3.4, this. This is called together, it's a rational number. Okay, so rational number can be, the decimal number can be terminating. Terminating means like a finish, like 0.3, 0.4, like that terminating number. Also, repeating decimal. 0.3333333 or something like that. Okay. And then even though 2 digits, if we have a pattern, 1.717171, that's a rational number 2. How about if none repeating or infinitive continue to is no repeating or no pattern of that number is called, it's going to be irrational number. For example, pi 3.14 is continue to go, right? That's called irrational number. So please remember, rational number are irrational and rational. Rational, non-integers, and integers. Integers can be whole number with negative number. Without zero, counting number and you can say counting or natural number. Okay, so please remember that what is the real numbers and inequality symbols and absolute value. Okay, so I hope you guys stay healthy and happy, and please always think positive. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You can train your brain. That's what I'm doing. Always. Yes, I can. You can do it. Okay? If you have any question, please comment in my channel. Okay? Have a nice day, guys. I miss you guys. Bye-bye.